Hello, this is Dario Marjoli, and I do these videos where I review house plants or plants that you buy at the nursery garden and you bring home, and then 2 weeks later they are dead. So in this video I'm going to talk about a plant which I hate, which is the ivy, the common ivy, or also known as Hedera Helix. And here's an example. So I bought this at IKEA, and it's already dead. Um, so there you go. And supposedly it's an indoor plant, so you need to keep it indoors. And actually, the sticker that comes with it does mention that it's an indoor plant. And I had it indoors, and it's not doing well. And I've had it outdoor. I had it by mistake outdoors, and it didn't do well. And let me show you what's going on with this ivy, common ivy, English ivy, or Hedera indoors. So because I bought two, and you'll see what happens there. So here you have the Wikipedia entry for it, Hedera. And this is a plant that in nature it just looks beautiful and all that, but I guess in nature we're talking about a lot of thick trunk or big branches. And in real life, in your apartment or in your condo, you're not gonna have that. So you're gonna have tiny branches, and they just don't last. uh, they are not as powerful as the plant is in nature, with big thick trunks. So here is this English ivy, or European ivy, or common ivy. Here I have one that I have hanging here. So I don't know if you can see it. So I don't know. I've been watering it, so it's getting black. The leaves are getting black on the corners. So I've been watering it. So God knows if I've been watering it too much or too little. I don't know. But it's just a plant that's really shallow. It just doesn't last. You're just gonna have to be a super garden expert to have this plant and have it not die. And just don't go by you're gonna see it on the road, and you're gonna think, oh, how beautiful these plants have to be strong and all that. But that's different on the road. In nature, that's one thing. In a big garden, it's one thing, and then in a little flower pot, it's a completely different story. So basically, this plant is half dead. I don't know what I did to it. I treated it well. I gave it water. I gave it fertilizer, and it's still dying. So totally not recommended. And I'm gonna try to remove it. Well, it's not gonna happen easily. Anyway, so that was the common ivy. I do not recommend you buying common ivy.